Today I want to make a little video to explain standard deviation and how to calculate it by hand. So what is a standard deviation? It's a measure of variation. Okay, it's a measure of variation based on measuring how far each data value deviates from the mean. All right, that's by definition. So specifically, how to calculate it? The formula is this. S, that stands for standard deviation, equals square root of summation I equals 1 to n xi minus x bar, and then raised to the second power divided by n minus 1. So let me explain what this formula actually means. Okay, so first, xi refers each data in a data set. Okay, each data in a data set. So for example, if I have a data set which have 5 data in it, 3, 10, 7, 2, 20. Okay, so that's the first data, second data, third data, fourth data, fifth data in it. Okay, and then what is the xi? This is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, so here I is the index. Okay, that's the index of the data. Okay, so I equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, xi is the data in the data set. All right, x bar, that's the mean. Okay, x bar is the mean. And then n, that's the number of data in the data set. So in this case, n equals 5. All right, and then what's this summation symbol means? Summation I equals 1 to n, in this case is a 5. Okay, so what that means, summation means add all the number up. So for this case, since there are 5 data in this data set, right? So add x1, x2, x3, x4 until x5. Add all the data up. Okay, so what exactly this formula is looking for? We're trying to find each data, okay, xi, each data in the data set. We want to find how much is different from the mean. Okay, minus xi, right? Find the difference from the mean and then square this difference. Okay, and then add all them up. And then divided by the number of data set minus 1. Okay, and then this quotient, we want to find the square root of it. Okay, so how to calculate it by hand? Let's make a simple table. Just try to organize all the information here. Okay, so first column, this table have 2 columns. First column, we put a xi in. Okay, second column, we put a xi minus x bar raised to the second power. Okay, so xi, okay, that's the first one, so 3, second one 10, third one 7, fourth one 2, fifth one 20. Okay, and then since we have a summation, right, we want to add them up, so total we want to find. So in this formula, we want to know what is the mean, right, x bar. So let's find x bar first. So we add all the data up, right? Add all the 5 data up, divided by number of data in the data set, which is 5. So we can easily calculate that's 8.4. Okay, so now let's find each data, how much is different from the mean. 3 minus 8.4, right? First data is 3. Mean is 8.4. We want to find how much the first data away from the mean and then square that difference. Okay, put in a calculator, and then I got 29.16. And then do the same thing for the rest. Okay, find the second data, see how much, okay, is from the mean. I got a 2.56. Third data, see how much different from the mean, and then square that difference. Fourth data, how much different from mean, and then square that difference. So I got a 40.96. Okay, calculation is easy, so you put in the calculator, do it yourself. Okay, find the 20, how much is different from the mean, and then square that difference. I got 134.56. So add all those number up, okay, and I got 209.2. All right, so what I'm calculated here, 209 and 2, that's this whole table actually is the numerator under the roots. Okay, so let's plug in. Okay, numerator is 209.2 divided by n 5 minus 1, right? And then if I put in a calculator, square root of 209.2 divided by 4, and I get 7.231873893. Okay, if we want to keep 3 decimal, okay, put a backdoor, okay, after 1, and then look at who is at the backdoor 8. 8 is a number greater than 5, so we need to add a 1. So the answer is 7.232. Okay, that's how we calculate the standard deviation. Hope that helps.